Learn every day for a better life. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share some fun and productive things you can do at home when you're feeling bored or need a break from your daily routine. Let's get started. Learn a new skill. Why not take advantage of your extra time at home by learning something new? There are plenty of online courses and tutorials available for everything from cooking and baking to coding and graphic design. Pick a skill that interests you and start learning today. Get organized. Being at home can sometimes feel cluttered and chaotic. Take some time to declutter your space and organize your belongings. You can start by sorting through your closet, pantry, or bookshelf, and donating or selling anything you no longer need. Try a new recipe. Cooking is a great way to pass the time and expand your culinary skills. Look up a recipe online that you've been wanting to try, and make a meal for yourself or your family. You might even discover a new favorite dish. Read a book. Reading is a great way to relax and escape into a different world. Pick up a book that you've been meaning to read, and spend some time getting lost in the story. Exercise. Staying active is important for both your physical and mental health. There are plenty of at-home workout routines available online, from yoga and Pilates to cardio and strength training. Find one that works for you and get moving. Connect with friends and family. Just because you're at home doesn't mean you can't stay connected with your loved ones. Schedule a virtual hangout or game night with friends and family to catch up and have some fun. Get creative. Being at home can be the perfect opportunity to explore your creative side. Whether it's painting, drawing, writing, or photography, find a creative outlet that inspires you and spend some time pursuing it. You might even discover a new hobby that you're passionate about. Practice mindfulness. With all the stress and uncertainty in the world today, it's important to take care of your mental health. Try practicing mindfulness through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe and focus on the present moment. Taking care of your mind can help you feel more grounded and peaceful during these challenging times. Learn a new language. If you're looking for a challenge, why not try learning a new language? Not only is it a great way to keep your brain active, but it can also open up new opportunities for travel, work, and personal connections. There are plenty of language learning apps and online resources available, so start exploring a new language today. Explore your local area. Just because you're staying home doesn't mean you can't explore your local area. Take a virtual tour of a local museum, park, or historical site, or go for a walk or bike ride around your neighborhood. You might discover hidden gems and beautiful sights that you never knew existed. And there you have it. 10 things you can do at home to keep yourself productive, entertained, and connected. We hope you found these suggestions helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.